Happy Saturday, guys. Well, I wanted to show you guys some other finds that I got for my canning supply. And I guess a few other things maybe. No, we'll just do the canning stuff. So I went browsing today. I said, okay, I'm gonna go find something. So as you can tell, I found a I I found well first of all I found some measuring things that's going to be just for my canning. It's already labeled for everything. And guys, I paid, this was 50% off. Let me see it, wait till it focus. Let's see. Well, it was 99 cents and half off was 50 cents. So I got that. I got me a little scooper. It was 55 cents. And as you can tell, it is reused, but I will be sterilizing it before I use them. I got it from the thrift store. I got me a strainer or colander, however you want to call it. It sits right in this pan. This was $3. Uh-oh, don't fall. And look what I found, guys. Now, I know it's worn, but I found me a pressure cooker. This is it's a Canner Miramatic. I don't know, it's an off-brand. But the reason I know that they was using it for pressure canning, because if you can look, you can see they was the can marks. And it came with a weight. It came with the thing, the gauge, the pressure thingy. 5, 10, 15, and then it got the little rack, of course, and you can tell it's been put to use. So, and it locks. It doesn't have the little seal thing, maybe because it's already twist lock, but it have this, and I'm assuming I don't know how to operate it, but I guess you put it on, whatever. But look, it started out at $9.99, $10. I got it for $5.40 at the thrift store here in my town. $5.40. And this, I want to say, is let me look. I don't know. It should be at least a 6. Should be. I know it can hold the 4 ounce, and I know it should be able to hold the 6 ounce canning mason jars. I'm not sure about the 8 ounce, but definitely it should be able to hold the 4 ounce and the 6 ounce. So I'm gonna try. Once I try that, I'll let you know. But I searched and I searched and I searched, and then a separate place. I mean, I went to a couple places today, and this fits right in there. So, I mean, hey, it might not be a whole lot, but you guys know in the candy world, that is good. And then I end up picking up, like I needed some more, but it makes me kind of have almost a nice amount of variety of sizes. So I picked up some more jars at the new location I went to, and these are pint size jars. So I have pint size, I have quart size, I have the 8 ounce size, I have 4 ounce size somewhere, 4 ounce size. So, and then I found these other little goodies right here. So, oh my gosh, and I'm making a mess. But I actually had footage from me going to the stores, but I uploaded them to my laptop, and I'm gonna figure out how to get them off there. And I waste coffee on my laptop keys. So you see my battery's out. So it's kind of like being doctored on right now. Also, let me see. I have this. I am doing so much. I am rearranging my grow room, and school is getting ready to start. But I also found, you guys know I'm remodeling my outside. So, border stones, mold edge. So they look like that. So so I can build my pathway. Well, this one here. This is how much they cost. Regular price was $14.99. I paid technically $6. So what I did was, they're 10 feet a piece. So I purchased 3 of them, and they look like this. So all you have to do is stick them in the ground. So hopefully three packs will work. Because I think I only left them with maybe 1 pack. What else did I get? Got some more steaks for my purpose. I got 3 bags of them. They was $3 at Walmart. And just some regular our regular odds and ends. I have so much stuff that I still need to put out in the garden space. I'm counting days down now. I have, like, we go back on the 19th. So I'm seeing I have 14 more days because I have to take the rest of the days for rest. So I have lights back here, solar lights. I have a bag full of goodies that someone gifted to me back here. I have to get this room reorganized. I have all my garden supplies and everything is just here. Guys, you like my photo? Look at Lala. Look at Chickalala. And yeah, so I mean, I'm just really reorganizing things. And this is kind of like my meditate room. I mean, when I say reorganize, I have to reorganize. Oh yeah, I got this. It was $2 at Ollie's, and it is water soluble plant food. It's all organic, and they was $2.99, guys. You know, I got the you know, I like the fish emulsion, as well as, let me see, let me see. Where, so you know, I have the, whoo, Jesus, don't fall. So I have this one here as well. And actually, it'll be time for me to do this tomorrow. And my fish emulsion is up there somewhere. Up there. But with oh, hold on. And then, guys, I bought me another aloe vera plant for my little room. Let's see if he can live. I gotta repot the other one. I went ahead to get some supplies for that. But I also found this canning book. It's called Canning Essentials. So that's who it's by. I don't know, you know, how much of it, you know, I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna read through it and see which one I like. And then, guys, I bought me another aloe vera plant for my little room. Let's see if he can live. I gotta repot the other one. I went ahead to get some supplies for that. But I also found this canning book. It's called Canning Essentials. So that's who it's by. I don't know, you know, how much of it, you know, I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna read through it and see which one I like. So guys, yes, those was my finds today. So now I'm going to let you see how the day went as I was looking for the different products. Let me know what you think. Are you going to can this year? Is it something that's on your agenda to learn how to do? If so, let me know what is the first thing that you want to can. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know every time I put up a video. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm up on this Saturday morning. I've been going around just seeing what's out there as far as pressure canners. Hopefully I come across one. So I will take you along the rest of my journey. So I've hit up like 3 or 4 spots already. No one have a remnants of one. So yeah, so let's keep riding, and I'll let you know as I go. As I look, I'll let you look with me. Be back. This is my first find. As you can see, this was the original price. I got it for 50% off. This is my receipt for it. And let me show you what it come with. It come with a weight. And someone was actually canning with it. Come with the tray. So for $5.40, that's my first stop. Let's keep moving. When I'm at my other store, and guys, they have nothing. All I got is some chores, which I'm grateful. But what I come for, they didn't have. And what they did have, I just bought for a better price. So I'll be back. When I'm at my other store, and guys, they have nothing. All I got is some chores, which I'm grateful. But what I come for, they didn't have. And what they did have, I just bought for a better price. So I'll be back. One more stop, and then I'm done. I'm not going anywhere else today, guys. I've been out since about 12 o'clock. It is 6:18. I probably won't make it home until 6:45. I'm done, and I will show you all the goodies that I did get. But whatever I didn't get, I'm done. I'm sorry, I can't do these stores. It is crowded in these stores. Oh. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. I am ranting and raving now because I've been gone for too long away from my house. I did get a chance to go home and water the garden, then I had to go back out. So, all right, I'll let you know in a minute what I got.